Dear student, now we have to see here the expression of the velocity. We have to derive the velocity. In the last video, we have derived there the acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. For the velocity, we have that is acceleration d2x upon dt square is equal to what? It is the derivative, that is the dv upon dt. Is time rate of change of velocity with respect to time is nothing but the acceleration. Because previously we have right here the written here the d2x upon dt square is equal to small a. Again, this meaning that dv upon dt derivative of the velocity is nothing but the acceleration. Therefore, putting in equation number 1, putting in equation number 1, putting in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 implies that equation number 1 d2x upon dt square is equal to minus omega square x. In the equation number 1, there is a sign of the negative. But here in the form of the magnitude form, that equation that is d2x upon dt square is equal to omega square x. In the equation number 1, there was the negative sign. Negative sign indicates here that the acceleration and the displacement are opposite directions. But here the magnitude form, the negative becomes as the positive. Magnitude taken as the always positive. Therefore, equation number 1 written as the d2x upon dt square is equal to omega square x. Or again in this form we are writing like this omega square x ऐसे भी लिखते हैं ठीक है कोई बात नहीं इसमें. But putting this equation d2x upon dt square equal to dv upon dt means we have to put d2x upon dt square इसके बदले में क्या डालना है dv upon dt. Therefore this equation becomes that is dv upon dt means time rate of change of velocity with respect to time with respect to acceleration. It will become minus omega square x. X is the displacement. But dv upon dt is equal to what? Rearranging this term, that is dv upon dt is equal to dv upon dx into dx upon dt. By multiplying this term dv upon dt by dx upon dx upon d is equal to 1. Therefore, there is no change in the original equation. But here dx upon dt is equal to what? Dx upon dt, rate of change of displacement with respect to time, nothing but the velocity. So we have to written here, we have to write here dv upon dx into v. Taking v previously, that is v into dv upon dx. Putting the dv upon dt in this equation, therefore this equation will become v into dv upon the dx is equal to minus omega square x. Now integrating this equation over the dv and separating the terms, you will get the new equation in the form. Therefore here what will be here? Therefore here v dv integrating, separating the variables, separating the variables and integrating So after integration and separation, we will get the new form, that is integral of v dv is equal to minus omega square x और ये dx. और लेकिन क्या होगा ये इंटीग्रेशन का साइड that is x dx. v dv, integral of v dv is equal to minus omega square. Omega square is the constant, therefore taken outside that of the integration sign. Therefore x dx. Therefore v dv का एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूला है to the power 1 plus 1, that becomes the 2 divided by 2. If v becomes after solving, therefore v square upon 2. is the standard form of the VdV. क्या आएगा v square by 2 ये minus omega square ये सॉल्व करने के बाद x square by 2 और प्लस क्या आएगा c where c is the constant of integration we have to find that way means here v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 rearranging the term means here you can write this term that is minus omega square x square by 2 plus c means here when the particle is at कहाँ पे है particle at the extreme position पे है means extreme position के particle का क्या होता है means for the extreme position क्या होता है extreme position के लिए ये मेरा क्या है main position ये मानते लेते हैं मेरा क्या है extreme position है means extreme position में क्या है maximum displacement of the particle from its main position is called the amplitude means this is the amplitude शब्द है amplitude वर्ड से amplitude means x equal to कितना होगा x equal to ये होगा ये साइड में लेते हैं पॉजिटिव और ये साइड में लेते हैं तो क्या नेगेटिव means this is the when the particle start its motion from the extreme position the displacement is o a equal to s that is the a equal to s मान के रखते हैं और यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी कितना होगा प्लस 0 होगा means at the point a the velocity of the particle v is equal to 0 but the displacement from the main position is the maximum that is equal to capital A or minus so applying this condition for the equation number v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c we will get the new form of the equation therefore at the extreme position what will happen x equal to a plus or minus a depending on the signs and v is equal to 0 means putting this is equal to a or v is equal to 0 in this equation v is equal to 0 becomes as 0 therefore this equation number 4 I think therefore equation number 4 becomes as what value v is equal to 0 minus omega square x का वैल्यू क्या है ये is the amplitude therefore a square by 2 plus c I want to find here the value of this constant of integration by changing the sign of the omega square a square by 2 take on the left hand side it will become as therefore c is equal to what omega square a square by 2 so this is the constant of integration putting this constant of integration in our equation number 4 therefore putting this in this equation c की value omega square a square therefore this equation will become as therefore v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 और c का वैल्यू कितना है omega square plus omega square a square by 2 this is minus this is plus this can be done previously in front of this term alternating section means minus this after therefore it will become as omega square a square by 2 plus what value omega square x square by 2 यहाँ पे क्या है इस omega square common 2 common therefore this can be that is omega square by 2 common a square plus omega क्या ये माइनस का है माइनस ये माइनस और ये कितना बनता है x स्क्वायर इस यहाँ का 2 और यहाँ का 2 कैंसिल therefore v square by 2 means ये 2 get cancel here therefore यहाँ पे क्या बनता है v square equal to omega square what value a square minus x square so this is the value of the square of the velocity but I want to determine here the value of the velocity purely not in the form of the square therefore again v is equal to what will become taking the square root taking square root of this equation it will become जाता है 0 के मीन पूछेंगे तो क्या साइन आएगा, पॉजिटिव साइन। देयरफॉर taking square root of this means a square minus x square. This is the velocity of the particle while performing the linear simple harmonic motion. Means v equal to plus minus omega under root of a square minus x square. Here this a capital indicates that the amplitude of the simple harmonic motion. X is the displacement, but here plus or minus sign means if the particle moves towards the right side of this, it's calculated as the positive. Where it moves towards the negative side, then it is negative. So here negative and positive both sides are given. Apply the sign depending on the oscillations of the particle either on the left or the right side of the mean position. Therefore this is the velocity of the particle. This is the velocity of particle. Velocity of particle in linear simple harmonic motion. This is the expression for the velocity v equal to plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. This is the equation for the velocity of the particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. Thank you so much.